It's almost 8 o'clock on Tuesday the 27th. We're back up at the site and the guys are getting pretty well finished with the demolition. The site looks quite a bit different than it did just a few hours ago. Almost looks like a bomb went off here, but they've got the building disassembled and down on the ground here now. Been making good time with the large excavator here on site. Looks like a bit of a mess, but they've got all the metal and steel in a pile there. It will all be loaded into a large truck to go for recycling. Here we are, just coming down James Street, and there's not much left off the building at this point. So it was almost 3 o'clock before they got underway here today. So they made a lot of progress in the last 5 hours here today.